Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four stars Sudoku. Four stars Sudoku in additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024. It's today Valentine's Day, and I've already solved one puzzle. The three-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. The binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the four-star Sudoku, and this will be number 8003. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1 1. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s. We have here 5 4s. Alright. 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 2 8s, and 2 3 9s. So the 4s are a majority. Can I start with 4? Yes. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this first row, 4 in the second row. From the third row, the only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, and only 3 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. Only place left 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 4. 2 in this row, last row, 2 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between only place left. The 2 should be there. 2 2 2 2. Well, 2 2 2 2. Well, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the first row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in one of those 2. Oh, wait. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the middle row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so that box can be 2. This box should be a 2. Alright. Okay, and now, okay. How about, need a 3 here. Need a 5 there. 1, 9. 8 8 8 8. Need an 8 here. Need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. So 1 is left. Should be the 8. Need 8 there. And 888. 99. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. We have 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, 5 and 7, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright, 1, 3, 8, 3, 8. Okay. 3, 8. 1, 9, 6. 1, 9, 6. 1, 9, 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 9, 9. Need a 5 here. 4. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. 2, 1. 9. Let me think, let me think. Come on, come on, come on. 9, 9, 9, 9. No, 9, 9. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left, 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 6 should be there. I need a 6 here. 1 and 9. 1, 9 and 5. 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. Yeah, so 1 and a 9, okay. Yeah. 9 and the 3 and a 1. 3, 1 and the 8. Need an 8 there. Okay, and now we need to think. Well, need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 1 and well. Okay, 5, 5. Need a 5 here also. Need a 5 there. Come on. This is taking too long. 6. 6. Need a 6 here. 6. Need an 8 here. Yeah, thinking. 3, 6, 5. 3, 6. And 5 here. Oh, overlooked this. 1 and a 9, we already have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Overlooked. 9 and a 3, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Overlooked. 1 and a 1 or a 9, we have a 9 here, so this box should be a 1. So we have 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 2 places left. 1 could be here, could be there. 1 and 8 in this row. 1 and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Right. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. That means in this column, you need a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay. Here can be 1, we have a 1 here. So need a 1, need a 2 here. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Need a 9. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So 1 is left. Should be the 1 then. Okay. Alright. 2 and a 9, okay. How about here? 1, the 9, and the 3 is missing. 3. Well. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between only 3 places left. The 1 should be here, or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 could be here, could be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. And 8 could be everywhere here. Wow. Wow. 2. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Yeah. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, there are only 2 places left. The 5 could be here, could be there. That means in this row, the middle row, we need a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 5 in the middle row could be here, could be there. So I need a 5 there also. Here. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between only 3 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on, I need a 3. 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair should be the other 8 and the 7 here. 8 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 8 goes in there. Okay. So here 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5 then. 8 and 5. And we need a 1. 1 could be here. And we need a 5. And we need a 6 here. A 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 1 goes in there. Yeah, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 5 is a pair. So 1 that you left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. And the 6 is missing. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 8 and 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. Look, we have a 6 and a 7 in the first row, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Wait. Need a 7 here. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 place left with 7. Could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the first column and only 2 place left with 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 in those two boxes. So 1 box left on the 9 in this big square. Should be there. So if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. 2. Oh, wait. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left with 2. Could be here, could be there. Okay. 1 and a 5. One, 2, 3. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column, middle column. So the column next, the only 2 place level 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column 3, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 1 number left in this big square for the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 and a 5? No. 1 and a 2? Yes. 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 8 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 8 goes there. Finish. 18 minutes. Well, maybe 2 minutes. Need more 2 minutes than the previous Sudoku, but we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it and solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.